Hello, Ewusi from VJ Park or Rich. Now, mostly in him there, I speak for Kofi Kinaata most of the time. Something is going on social media. Me feel there, we need to address it because this is a deliberate attempt to drag the name or brand Kofi Kinaata to the mud. Yes, we've all known that Kofi Kinaata you'll be when it comes to good music. Somebody with good lyrics, lyrical content in music, you cannot take Kofi Kinaata away. Into Obanedan, in a sebi, Abuabaka will feel to me, Mr. Ewusi Fienyimpalidi, Jandam group there, Wongu Kinaata Nufi. How? Now, this is the case. Kofi Kinaata released a new one where YouTube corner share titled For Nothing. Na nyumene no make statement today. Riasi me nyije papa na nkasa no one shot tare mfanye. Riasi me nyije bebre na one shot tare mfanye. Down watch shot tare mfendi down. Riasim, the most exciting things, happy, sweet things in this world. And one shot tare mfanye.
Oh, be lie.
Mr. Ewusi na samana the janda more yen there. Kofi Kinaata is talking about Uzi. Another sex, another topa. But Kofi never mentioned anything on.
Be lie.
Kofi and per sex. Kofi know nothing about sex.
If it's set up.
Kofi is just a small boy.
Be lie. If it's set up.
Anything profane or mean be on no the mammy on my mom's a dream fino. Bad thing or you know.
Profane song
once or known to me.
I don't know how to profane on don't forget any
son or say and no eba.
If it's set up.
Anything about sex. Kofi was talking about a girl bathing.
Be lie.
So what zone do so go do bathing? Erugara eshatara. Let me know.
Be lie.
What is the most important thing you do in the morning when you are going to work? You bath.
Be lie.
Wo phone gwar. Wiase menyije bebrebe. Enyije nsumin goda. The feeling you get.
Be lie.
It's one year and then one bina Donzy Ewusi Chaka.
Be lie.
Jandam group. There, Kofina, or they in someone of the moment. My client has nothing to do with what you are thinking.
Be lie.
One shot last video I made about you, but with there. Nipa two were required.
Be lie.
Viasi me nije bang one shatter.
Be lie.
But anyway, I can show the Ghana Music Award this weekend. Vote for Kinaata as your High Life Artist of the Year. Kwasuna vote for Kinaata. But anyway, the American Telecel Ghana Music Award this weekend. Please vote for Kofi Kinaata as the High Life Artist of the Year. It is finished. Vote for that song as the High Life Song of the Year. And the Songwriter of the Year. One cross, one forward. What I say, it belongs to the king. Into one for man na. Donzy, can you hear? Riasi me nyijin. Nyani na na washa tarwadi. Ibini. Riasi me nyije bebre na washa telum fanje. Na una what's up? Start telling Fendi Damadauno. Yawali pre designer.
The matter chop hot.
Assembly Diloto. Hey!
Be lie.